name is Ghost the Freelancer. For today's recording, we are working on a hit called Video High Risk Labeling English. This one should be easy. All you have to do is to understand the impact of the query as a very high impact, medium impact, low impact. Now, this is the stuffs that for yourself, like if you see something like a query, how would it impact you, so you can start from there and go on or go through the guidelines. So for high impact or very high impact, it'll be stuffs like topic that has high risk of low authority content, and this is a specific topic list, as details coronavirus, stuffs like that, vaccination, climate change, etc. But again, it is going to be high risk of low authority. And for high impact, these queries that pose a risk to physical, emotional, or financial well being of users. Example news, stuff like that, legal health. What else? Medium impact with official sources. So those are the stuff there. So I'm going to show you how I do this. I am going to work on the qualification mode and hopefully we pass it. So NRL Parramatta versus Broncos. For this one, I would go with low impact. These are queries that the user cares more about the content itself and not much about the source authority. Cat video. This one I would go with, hold on here, medium impact. Joe Biden and Barack Obama. This is going to be high impact, or very high impact rather. It's taking a while to load. While waiting for this one, our group name in Facebook is Click Worker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. Please do subscribe to the channel first before joining the group and hit that notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. And still waiting for this one. And also, what do an update about the payment or minimum payments for Click Worker Philippines. The payment method there is, well, the usual that we are using in the group is Payoneer and PayPal. So currently, the minimum payable amount is 10 euros for PayPal and then 5 euros for Payoneer. Come December, it'll be both 10 euros for PayPal and Payoneer. So we got this hit right, Joe Biden and Barack Obama. Again, it's very high impact because it's a political topic or a person. Click on OK. Now CIA did 911. So this is going to be at higher risk of low authority content. So it'll be very high impact. Moving on to the next is Burning Man Festival. It is an event focused on community art self-expression. For this one, I am going to go with, hold on, medium impact, sports, celebrities, low impact. I would go with low impact here. I'm not sure. It's medium impact. We got one mistake. Normally has videos from official channel, which should be ranked on top. That's fine. Moving on to the next is, does 5G cause coronavirus? That's very high impact. Terminator trailer. This is going to be medium impact for me. Yep. George Floyd protest. That's very high impact as well. Does garlic cure coronavirus? That's high impact again. That is at high risk of low authority. Cat videos, that's a medium impact. I think so. Okay, low impact, guys. Please do capture a screenshot of that. We got two mistakes already. I'm trying to rush it. I do apologize. The Queen 29 July 2020 full up episode. This is going to be, hold on, either medium, high impact. Yeah, medium impact for me. You have passed the qualification test. Again, it is the hit called Video High Risk Labeling English. I hope the video helped you out. Again, my name is Ghost. Thank you for watching. Again, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you. Bye for now. Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorials. My name is Ghost, and for today's recording, amo. Jesus ka. Jesus ka. Paano ito? Paano yun, Gcash lang? Stormfront.